Hi, today we're going to be taking a look at the GameStop Call of Duty PS4 edition, Pro Edition. So, if you remembered, if you went to GameStop and you pre-ordered your Call of Duty game, you got this little Call of Duty Black Ops 4 drawstring backpack. You also got a poster, but the poster was on the release day, so unfortunately you didn't get a poster. You know, like when you pre-order, usually sometimes they will do that, but for this time they're like, no, when the game drops, come pick up the game, pick up your poster. So we will take a look at the poster in just a second here. Before we get into the game, let me show you the little GameStop flyer that they had in the store, where they talk about, you know, all the things that's coming out. There is supposed to have a Call of Duty Black Ops 4 hoodie here, but unfortunately, they don't have it in store. And they did have this shirt here, the Black Ops 4 Specialist shirt that has like all the little Specialist, you know, patches on there. Unfortunately, the downside of GameStop is they only have like a couple shirts there, and the biggest size that they go up to is like maybe a large or a 2X. A lot of smalls, a lot of mediums, but that's it. If you want like maybe a 2X, 3X, or even a 4X, you gotta order at GameStop.com. They don't carry big sizes. They're like freaking Hot Topic, okay? Now if you knew like what Hot Topic is and that type of store in the mall, usually they sell all these little teeny tiny sizes that it's like, okay dude, have you not seen the world? There's no small people really left in the world. I mean, I'm a skinny guy, but I buy my shirts a little bit because I know when I wash them, they're going to swing. And if it's something that I really like a musical band or a video game, you know, you're going to be proud. You're going to be wearing it a lot more than like, I'm only going to buy and like wear it once in a while. You're going to be buying it, wearing it, washing it. It's going to swing. It's going to fade. That's what, you know, you want to get a little bit bigger. So you have more use of being proud of wearing that shirt. No. It's only freaking small sizes that they sell in there. That's kind of BS discrimination, don't you think? Because I look at some people that comes into GameStop, and they're not small people. They're like big people. I know myself, I'm a skinny guy, but I like to wear my shirts long so I get the use of them. If I'm going to drop like, you know, 30 bucks or something on a shirt, I want to have it for like maybe 2 years, not this BS, 3 months, it got small, I got tight, I can't wear it anymore type of stuff. This other shirt here, did not see that. They do have this other new hat here. I know it's kind of hard to see on camera because this tape is so shiny. I really can't get it to focus all that good, but they have a pair of socks there. They have another hat. It just has like the Black Ops, you know, beret type of skull logo on there. They do have two thumbsticks there. There's like the standard edition one. I can't remember what that one looked like. And then they have the Ruin edition, which is a specialist character in the game. If you play Black Ops 3, you know who I'm talking about, right? Yeah. Well, unfortunately, the thing that they didn't do this year was control free and buy, you know, the control free, you know, character packs. There's no card. Because I was looking at it, I was asking them like, yeah, you know, Call of Duty World War II, you know, if you got like the Allied Forces one, you just got, you know, just the Allied Forces, you know, control freaks. But if you bought like the Infantry Division one, you know, the little web control freaks, you actually got a card. If you bought that version, they're like, yeah, that was kind of cool. This time they're like, no, Call of Duty decided to go, BS. Just, oh, that was a wet one. On everyone. Nothing. Oh, Battlefield 5 is coming up pretty soon, so that's pretty cool. Pokemon Let's Go is coming out, and stop in to pick up your card to, you know, get your mystery Pokemon. Just wanted to point that out there. They do have some headsets here, still going with the Turtle Beach ones. I would say, you know, don't go with Turtle Beach, go with what's the other one? I can't think of it right now. But you know what I'm talking about. Oh my god, I can't think of it. But it's a bad one. It comes with like the pre-mid set Astro A40s. Yes, Astro A40's PS4 edition mid-amp. That's the one that I'll tell you to buy over the Turbo Beast. Back in the day, Turbo Beast was pretty tight, during Blast too, but look how many years it's been, so Astro A40 is the way to go, okay? So now, let's get on to, finally, the game that I know all you want to see, but I kind of want to get, what happens pre-order here, online, Amazon, eBay, GameStop, something kind of like that type thing, so. The PlayStation edition. This is the GameStop version. This is the Pro edition. This is costing you a freaking $120. Now ask yourself, does this look like a $120 worth game? My opinion is no. I mean, what was it like? For $160 for, the Call of Duty World War II Valor Collection bots. I believe that one was like $160. Let me move that out of the way for a second. Try to get this bit old thing in the camera. Yeah, so, and just for funsies, a little size comparison. Oh, wow. Like $160. Actually, this doesn't really tell me the price on here. But I believe it was something like $160, and this is $120. Yeah, you know what? More funsies. I can't exactly remember the exact price, but I'm pretty sure this was like at least $160, and this is $120. Which one do you think is worth, the money? The over the $100 limit? I'm gonna say this bit boy. It's a bit deal. Looks like, yeah, you're getting a pretty good deal. This one, I mean, come on, it's like, what the heck? It looks like, a DVD, a Blu-ray DVD, where they're like, hey, you get a Blu-ray, you get a standard edition, you get a download code to watch it on your iPod, and, iPad, and all those type of things. That's what this box looks like. It almost looks like a freaking DVD box that a Blu-ray movie comes in. I mean, that is like, come on, look how small it is. Whippy, whippy, whippy. The other one was like hefty, hefty, hefty. Seriously. So also, if you go GameStop and you got this one, there's the like MX9 submachine gun. So I'm gonna tell you how I unlocked that. So the BS classes are kind of BS in this game. BS classes, BS equipment, BS score streaks. I already found people freaking hacking on day one release. Like, Hellstorm Missile, Hellstorm Missile, Hellstorm Missile. I'm like, oh my god, it's like less than 3 seconds apart. You're calling like 3 Hellstorm Missiles? My god, you're a freaking hacker. Not only that, but to unlock your class, to actually, customize your class of what weapons, what camo, what weather codes, what attachments, and all that BS stuff, you actually have to way up through the multiplayer to level 5. But unfortunately, unlike how other Call of Duty games were, that says, hey, you know what? You can't choose what type of gun you want, what type of attachments you want, what type of cans you want for until you get up to level 5. Other Call of Duty games get you the kind of decency, the courtesy, what they should have done to tell you, yo man, if you want to customize your weapon and loadout, you got to wait up to level 5. In this game, it's like, oh, shh, secret, like, no, don't tell anyone, shh, it's secret. After freaking secret, man, tell people, you want to quit your class, you want to choose that gun, you want to choose that rocket launcher, you want to put a full metal jacket, you want to put on a foregrip, you want to put on a laser sight, wait until level 5 to unlock, just to even try to choose what gun you want. I don't like how they are trying to do all hush hush secret. No, we pay for it. We want to know what we're paying for it. Exactly. Not this, you can only unlock at level 5, but no one knows until level 5. Because I was like, okay, I'm level 3, nothing. Level 4, nothing. Come on, I'm still stuck with the default loadout classes here. How do I choose like what I actually want? And I don't like where they're like, oh yeah, your specialists can only be used by one person and stuff. That's BS. I would have went with the whole team of like ruins or batteries than that stuff. Made it fun. Made it like perhaps free. There's no wall running. So yeah, getting back to, if you put this one, the MX9, after you get to level 5, you quit on the gun, then you hit your D-pad arrow up, and there'll be a red variant version. Now you'd be saying, wait a minute, on the little poster, it said that, you know, it's supposed to be like a gold one. No, you actually get a red one instead of gold one. You have to do all the headshot cameras and stuff. You could get the gold one. Yeah, and it's not like this variant gives you like, ooh, a, you know, XP multiplier, like how we seen like the variants in Call of Duty World War II, like this gun, you know, base nothing. You know, you bought in a question, you got maybe like 10 SP. You got the heroic one, you got 15 SP per kill. No. So yeah, let's actually take a look at what this one is. 1 to 4 players, 2 to 18 players, 140 gigs minimum of hard disk drive. And it kind of tells you everything that you get in here, like free collectible art cards, 10 specials patches, a steel book. Oh my god, the book's steel! I don't care, I wear steel the game. No, actually, you know, I would pay for the game, I wouldn't steal the game. But come on, 130 bucks, not 30, 120 bucks for a steel book? No. Oh, and then you get a little pop socket. I could go to Target and buy a freaking pop socket. Yeah, it says you're supposed to get the signature weapon right here. This gold one, that is a kind of a semi-BS lie. You do not actually get the gold one. You get the red one. If you want the gold one, you gotta get the red one. Do all your freaking challenges, and then you get the gold one. It's not like, ooh, day one, I'm gonna have that. Oh, nice and shiny gold. It's gold! Yeah, gold! I don't know, I was trying to do like